Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit?
Okay. So this is thrifted. Should I say what it's from? Okay, it's just from Savers. Okay, it's from Savers. Not me trying to gatekeep. It's from Savers. And then this is also thrifted from Savers. This is her fucking piece. I don't know where it's from. This is an arm warmer that I made. This is some shit I got at a discount store. It was like a kid's like
Hello Kitty.
yes. This was like a kid's like sock thing, but I cut it into an arm warmer. All of these are either like handmade or from the deli. This is literally a One Direction watch, so like we love that. This is oh my god, wait, I'm so excited.
This is so cute.
This is a handmade creator in New York. So
Really?
it's
Yes. Good sport. Okay, yes. I love to support local designers. They, them, got you.
Okay, they're fucking amazing.
And then I'll get their Insta so I can plug the designer in as well.
These are Ghost Girls shoes. These are Ghost shoes. That's her. And they're fucking bonus, of course. And then
Let's get
them up with some like ribbon, of course. So yeah. And then we got the monster.
Yes, I want to get the Monster High bag in here as well.
Kitty attached.
What would you say your fashion inspiration is?
Okay, today it was literally like Lola Hannah Montana. That's all I was thinking all day. Like I Ben said that. It was Lola Hannah Montana.
I love that. Do you have a dream fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
Bro, ever since this bitch got these boots, I'm like dying. Like I want them so bad. But like I don't know. I can't really. I don't know. Like I've been just trying to make my own shit, honestly.
Do you remember the first thing you ever designed?
Yeah, it was really shitty. It was like a pair of like jeans that were like had like I just like cut like rips in them and then like put zippers. Like why would I do that? I don't know. Maybe it's cute. I don't know. I don't think it's cute. But they were just like yeah. It was
Well, it was only your first piece, so it's always up from there. My last question is not fashion related, but if you could clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Fuck, that's a fucking hard question. I don't know if I want that. Like another man's like.
Fair enough.
But like low-key maybe.
Okay, well thank you so much for your time. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Ghost Girl.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit?
So it's actually pretty funny because the girl that you just interviewed is like mainly her stuff, but I'm pretty sure these two are thrifted. I'm not sure. Buffalo Exchange, and then I'm assuming Savers.
Yes,
and these probably from a discount store. And these are also her shoes, super slay.
I love the belly ring, so cute. And the hair clip with the little
I made this
shroom.
one actually.
So
I
cute.
made jewelry.
Oh, you have to show off the hair.
Yes, my skeleton thing.
Ooh, I didn't even peep that one.
Yeah, I made this ring as well.
What would you say your fashion inspiration is?
I don't like, I'm obviously inspired by everyone, but I don't like looking at inspirations, I just do it, and I'm like, oh, that's me, I'm just gonna like, that's just me, you know?
Do you remember the first thing you ever designed?
Like, as in clothing, or like, as in clothing, like, it really just all started in high school. Like, once you listen to alternative music, you find yourself.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, and then you just like look at other people and like how they dress, and like really like the music you listen to makes you like the real you.
Do you have a dream item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get your hands on just yet?
Item? Oh my god. There's this like one like cool like dead teddy bear backpack that I love. It's like all black, and I think there's like safety pins on it.
I think I've seen that.
Yeah, I love adding safety pins on a lot of stuff that I wear. So like I definitely like I'm looking into that one. Yeah.
And if you could clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Fuck it, yeah, fuck it. Like, I love talking to myself, so like to just have someone like exactly like they're like, what's up? Like, we're homies, like I'm from.
Yes, I love it. Thank you so much for your time. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Asia.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today?
This is an Hermes scarf that I literally found on the sidewalk in Brooklyn.
It's so cute. I don't even know how you did that. You really made it look like a proper shirt.
Yeah, I was like looking at different ways to style scarves, like as crop tops. Everybody. And this is a a skirt that I thrifted. I don't know the brand of it, but I got it at Crossroads. I got these shoes at Crossroads too.
I love this bag.
Thank you. On 16 Bedford, like in front of a World Vintage, there's a bunch of like vendors and people around there who like sell like stuff that they make. And like repurposed leather bag.
I love it. And can you tell me about your jewelry that you have on today? I love that necklace, the silver one with the little heart.
Thank you. This I got at a place called Bodie in Williamsburg. This is a tiger's eye that I got at a Nepalese shop in the mini mall. I got this garment there too, and I also got these earrings there.
I love it. What's your fashion inspiration?
Oh man, I don't know. I guess I'm inspired by maximalism as a concept. I like to be over the top.
Do you have a dream fashion item that you had your eyes on for a while that you haven't gotten your hands on just yet?
Oh my god, you're putting me on the spot. I don't know.
Okay, no worries. If you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
What would I love to design? I like subversive clothes that don't make any sense, clothes that you just like pull over yourself, kind of like DIY clothing and stuff. I guess I would do that.
Okay, love that. Very unique. And my last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Yeah.
And why is that?
Because I want to kiss my twin.
Oh my god, yes! I love that answer. Very relatable. Thank you so much for your time.
Thanks so much.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Luke Reich from Brooklyn.
Nice to meet you. I love your outfit today.
You're goddamn right.
It looks amazing. What is your fashion inspiration?
Comes from within. This is just the way I want to look, and that's what I do. There ain't nothing else to it.
I love to see it.
Goddamn right.
Do you have an item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't gotten yet?
I have everything that I want, and I've had it for years. I've been wearing this jacket for nearly a decade now. It's been through fights, fucking motorcycle rides, tours with my band, all kinds of horrible shit. And it's still holding together, but just barely.
And the pin, I love the pin, so I'm gonna get a quick detail on that.
Yeah,
amazing.
that's Prussian.
Thank you so much for your time. Have a great night. What's your name?
Hey, my name is Nyfw.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit today? I love this shirt.
Thanks. So this is actually a vintage piece.
I've never seen this one. I love it so much.
It's made by Vintage by Alex. So I actually met her like just walking around in the street, and she had like a little booth out. And I was like, I looked at everything she was making. I was like, I can wear this, I can wear this. Like, I basically bought like half her fucking store that day.
So did she like add the blue?
What she does is she finds like vintage pieces and she combines them together in this like dope
Oh,
way.
that is so cool. Can we
Yeah.
get the look at the back too?
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, I love that. That's fire.
So
And your accessories?
So this is actually a gift from my aunt. It's a khamsa. So some people know it as the evil eye, but it's the hand of God. So this was like I pretty much wear this everywhere. It has a very special meaning to me, so I can't really tell you exactly why I wear it. But just know that it keeps you blessed, keeps you protected, it keeps me happy. So.
And the rest of the fit?
I feel like I don't even know where. Someone probably took this from like my sister or something. Same with the boots are, I think, like the female Aces boots or something like that.
All right. What's your fashion inspiration?
Whatever makes you feel comfortable.
Yes, I love to see it. And I was just going to ask if you had a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a long time that you haven't gotten your hands on just yet.
Yo, yeah, anything up there.
Oh yeah.
It's like anything up there in this fashion show today. Like,
Oh, I'm
anything
so
is
excited to
fine.
see.
So,
And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
ponchos.
Ponchos. Interesting. I wasn't expecting that.
Ponchos. I like the flowy feel of it, where you can just kind of like, it's almost like a blanket, you can just cover
Oh
it.
yeah, nice and comfy.
Yeah.
And my last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
No,
And why is that?
there's only one of me.
There you go. The one and only. Thank you so much. Enjoy the show.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
What's your name?
Hi, I'm Nausea.
Nice to meet you. Can you walk me through your outfit?
Okay, so my outfit, I'm not gonna lie, this whole thing is thrift.
Yes.
Like this shirt is thrift, this bag is thrift, this is thrift.
Sustainable, we love to see it. No way. I would have never guessed that. And the color coordination is on point. I love your name necklace.
Thank you.
And what's your fashion inspiration?
My fashion inspiration, honestly, when I just put my clothes on, I'm just like, I don't know, it's hard because there's so much fashion inspiration that I get from everybody. Like I see one person, like, oh, I love this.
That's
I
true,
love that. So I
yes.
feel like I just kind of grab a whole bunch of
And make it your own.
Exactly.
I love the gems on your eyes. Ooh. Do you have a dream item that you've had your eyes on for a while that you haven't been able to get just yet? Oh, and then the detail on the earrings. Louis V.
A dream item? I don't think I have a dream item. I like to make my own stuff, you know what I mean? I don't want something that somebody else has. Like I want to be different. I want to look unique. So I wouldn't say I have like a dream item. I have my person.
And if you were a designer, what would you like to design first?
So I actually do design. I make bags and clothes.
Do you remember the very first thing you ever designed?
Yeah. So it was not so long ago. Like 2 years ago, I made like a zebra kind of puffer bag, but it was like furry and like a brown leather strap.
Ooh, that sounds so cute. My last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself right now and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
Yes, I would do it, but like I still need my own space. You know what I mean? Like let's be together all the time, but we gotta go home separate ways.
That makes so much sense. She got her crib, you got yours. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the fashion show. Hi, what's your name?
My name is Mahoney.
Nice to meet you. I love your hair accessory.
Thank you, thank you.
Tell me about your outfit today.
That's my designer right there. She made it.
Oh,
Yeah.
snap. Right here in the flesh. Yes.
Yeah. We just kind of had a hard day throwing this together, but it works. It works.
And your shoes. I love these too.
Oh, it's all thrifted, by the way.
I love that. I love thrifting. And your shades, where are they from?
CVS, which is like $2 for them.
And let me get a close up on your accessories.
Oh yeah, this is thrifted. This is like
So pretty.
cute.
That's why I love thrifting, because you find the most unique pieces
yeah,
that you
this
don't
too.
see elsewhere. What's your fashion inspiration?
She kind of dragged me into it, and like I'm stuck here now, and I like it. I like it's recently it started for me, so I'm kind of like exploring still, trying to get comfortable.
Right,
And it's
right.
working. It feels good.
And do you have a fashion item that you wanted for a long time that you haven't been able to get just yet?
These brick sunglasses, they were like $200. I wanted them before the summer ended, and the summer's ended, and I haven't got them yet. Yeah.
Well, I hope you get your dream
Yes,
item.
thank you. Hopefully for Christmas, somebody gets them for me.
And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
I would say a skirt, like a nice skirt, or some like bags.
Okay, and my last question is not fashion related, but if you had the opportunity to clone yourself and you suddenly had a twin, would you do it?
No.
And why is that?
I'm an only child and I like keeping it this way.
Fair enough. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy the show.
You too.
Thank you. Hello, what's your name?
My name is Axel.
I love your hair.
Thank you.
Can you walk me through your outfit today?
Sure. So right now I'm rocking some Prada shades and my homie let me borrow some leather jacket.
Yes, turn around. Okay, I love that.
Yeah, and then I got some thrifted pants and then some thrifted boots, some shit.
And the accessories, let me get a close up
Just
on
some
the rings.
There's some rings and this earring here by Heart Jewelry.
And what's your fashion inspiration?
I guess just be you and just dare to step outside whenever you can type shit.
Do you have a fashion item that you've had your eyes on for a long time that you haven't gotten your hands on yet?
Not yet, no, not yet.
All right. And if you were a designer, what would you love to design first?
shit, I kind of want to step into the feminine side of fashion. I think it's so interesting and more open and broad than guys' fashion.
Love that. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy the show.